Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching your sequence to the clip. This prevents resampling artifacts that can confuse noise tools. Once done, import the problematic clip and drag it into a new sequence so you work non-destructively. Make sure to solo the track to hear changes clearly. Now open the Essential Sound panel and tag the clip as dialogue. This tells Premiere which presets to suggest. While you set that, keep an eye on meters, so you avoid clipping when you raise gain later. With the clip tagged, use the Reduce Noise slider. Start between 10 and 30% so you preserve natural voice timbre. If you still hear rumble or hiss, add the denoiser effect and then a parametric EQ. Cut low end below 80 Hz for rumble, notch narrow bands for hum. For inconsistent noise, apply adaptive noise reduction and adjust the FFT size and smoothing. Make sure to toggle bypass frequently so you can compare before and after. Once the noise is under control, use match loudness to target -16 LUFS so your dialogue sits well in mixes. Render a short section and listen on headphones, monitors, and a phone. This reveals artifacts and balance issues. If you hear warbling or metallic artifacts, reduce the reduce noise amount or bypass adaptive reduction and opt for manual EQ notches instead. Finally, apply a subtle compressor and limiter. This evens levels without reintroducing background hiss. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.